What if you tell him no, and then he's not telling him no, you're telling him
Just say yeah, there's 7 different Qur'an.
so no.
Why? Because
It's the same thing. It's just been translated into
Hey, Masoor is here.
Yeah.
Targeting.
Yeah,
Targeting
yeah.
or targeting.
Pistol.
Say again.
Pistol. Look at the coward, he's scared. Yeah. Can you speak about the rape in the Bible? Why rape in the Bible? A man he has to give to wife.
Get your man. Don't come
50
too close.
shekels.
I don't
Why?
go near COVID. People with
Why
COVID. please
rape
stay
in the
there.
Bible? Why?
Stay there.
Why the Bible
Masoor,
promote rape?
are you planning to debate today?
Yeah, this debate.
Are you planning to debate today?
I will debate you.
Why?
Let's
Why
talk
do you
about the
always
rape in
speak
the
to me
Bible.
when looking somewhere else? Why?
Oh my God, everyone just
Let's talk
teleported
about the
there.
rape in the Bible.
Tell your Christian friend that he doesn't.
Oh, you're a Christian yourself.
Yeah.
What is he doing? Anything
I'm
meaningful?
also into debate.
I
Who
asked you a
won?
question about Jesus, and then all of a sudden, 100 cameras.
Let's
just
talk
popped
about
up.
the rape.
Exactly. Including your friend.
His gentleman,
Christian.
this gentleman, neither knows Islam.
The rape. Why?
Neither
No one
knows.
should speak to a professional liar who speaks
Neither knows
and
Islam.
What is happening? What is happening?
No, don't. This fellow is being paid big time. God knows for what. He neither knows Islam nor knows Christianity, but he shows up here. I think he's a fruit
another
vendor.
liar.
I think he used to be a fruit vendor. Yeah, I'd like to. So, would you like to debate?
We don't want to talk to liars.
Who is
I
the we?
don't
You're sincere,
waste
right?
my time.
So we speak to sincere people. We don't speak to. The first
Are you
thing
terrified,
he does, he
Masoor?
opens his mouth and says that he's being paid.
So, are you terrified?
Can you believe that?
Mr.
This is
Liar,
evidence.
Yeah.
Mr. Liar, apologize to the whole world community
Sure.
that you lie and you're continuing to lie, and ask them, should I keep
is
on
that why
lying?
you've come to Speaker's Corner today? Is that why you've come to Speaker's Corner?
thank you,
Oh, don't block my way. Don't block my way. Don't block my way. Thank you. Is that why you've come to? Yeah, sure. Thank you much. Why are you hiding behind your beards all the time? Why?
Come here.
So this is the challenge.
This is evidence.
The best evidence that the Dawah team has is to accuse others of harassment. This is the best evidence. Best Dawah tactic. Did you see this? You come to Speaker's Corner first time? You're Muslims yourself? See those two fellows? They are meant to be Muslim Dawah fellows. Those two fellows
Prove
there.
that he's a liar.
He is one of the
coward.
minions for them.
Look, he don't want to debate.
He has COVID,
I
but
don't want
comes
to
too
debate me.
close.
I want to know why the Bible.
But none of
promoted
these
rape.
fellows
I want
debate
to know that.
on Islam
Because
properly.
the Bible says
They
if
come
a
here,
man rape a woman
come
or a
here.
girl, he has to give to her father
Sure.
50 shekels.
Thank you.
Then go ahead.
Thank you very much, sir. We're
Defend
not talking about your fourth
Oh,
sex
you
slave.
see,
So please stay at home.
Because it's filthy.
We are
filthy
talking
liar.
about-
That's why he don't want.
Thank you
He
very
don't
much.
want
Thank
to debate
you.
that.
Now,
I read the Bible.
Mansoor,
You've read the
he
Bible.
don't want to talk to
Can
him
I-
because he has no
Sure,
value.
don't-
He's not interested.
Thank you.
He thinks that he's something. He thinks that he's
hard to
something.
hear, to understand
But just
you when
only
the man is
empty
shouting.
pumpkin.
this man is shouting all the
Yeah,
time.
go ahead. Go
Day
ahead,
in,
go
day
ahead.
out, this is what he
Can
does
you talk
at
to me?
Speaker's
Can you
Corner.
speak?
Now, can I
Please
please
debate.
ask you something?
Please debate
Are you
about
from
rape and
the
the
UK?
Bible killing
You're not
children.
visiting the UK? Where are you from?
Austria.
Austria.
Australia.
Yeah. Now, don't touch him, please. Give him his personal space.
Allahu Akbar.
Hey, he said you were
He's
shouting and
he's
wasting
my
time.
brother. He's my brother.
He is a bit ashamed
my
of you.
brother.
Can you
No,
see? He's
he's
moving
not.
away already.
He's not.
No,
He's
Don't-
not.
ashamed of it.
He's
Alhamdulillah.
not ashamed. He
You
said
see?
he was shouting.
You see?
No, can you imagine?
Again,
Can you
you see
imagine
how much
coming
he's
to
a liar.
Speaker's Corner and shouting like him?
You see how much
Yeah.
again is a liar?
Should you be?
Wish you nice
Should you be ashamed of him?
Good, good. Abandon the liar.
Are you a Muslim, sir? Would you be ashamed of this fellow? These fellows?
Ashamed in the sense that
Your
he's
church
not
don't
letting
give
other
milk powder
people
anymore.
talk.
Yeah, that which is what
Give
exactly.
each other time to
Exactly.
talk.
This is Speaker's Corner.
Because
We
if
come
you're
to.
hiding something, you won't let other people talk.
Speaker corner for him.
And he is hiding even his own face. Can you see? He has been having. Have you ever heard of long-term COVID?
Yeah.
The worst case is this fellow.
Yeah.
He has been having COVID from 2020. Can you
I'm
imagine?
protecting myself from his germ. That's what I'm doing because
Yeah,
it's a virus.
Can you, professional liar, can you say?
Criminal.
Now,
Yeah.
can I ask you something very
Liar,
interesting, sir?
proven liar.
You are a Muslim, you said.
Why the
Hey, don't
Bible
shout into my,
promoting
don't shout
rape?
into my,
Uh,
don't shout into my ear. Please
He
don't
was
shout.
Akli Mansour.
But please don't
He was
shout.
Akli Mansour.
But don't shout into my
Mansour,
ear.
he's not
Don't
Muslim,
shout
I'm
into my
talking.
ear. No, it's my ear. It's my
Mansour, he was
business.
speaking,
Don't
he
shout
was-
into my ear. Thank you
Can
much.
you tell me
To
why
you,
the
sir.
Bible promoting-
Sure, sure.
why
Thank
the
you.
Bible promoting rape?
To you, sir.
Yeah, tell
I am
me,
a Christian.
Why the Bible promoting rape?
I am a Christian.
Why the Bible promoting rape?
Of course, I am ashamed of
Yes,
him also,
why the
like you,
Bible
which is
promoting
good, a
rape?
good start. Now, let me
Why the
ask you
Bible
this very
says
simply, sir.
promoting the
I
killing of
genuinely
children
think
to decide.
anyone who cares, my dear friend,
that is your biblical
I genuinely think anyone who cares for peace between human beings should not be a Muslim. Because the moment you are a Muslim and the moment you get to know the Quran, then you already become hateful like him.
Giving him content.
Hateful like him towards
I'm going
non-Muslims.
to listen to everyone. You don't decide what I'm going to do or not do. I'm going to listen to homos. I'm going to listen to everyone. I'm going to listen to queers. I'm going to listen to everyone.
He also.
Don't decide for me.
I don't have a problem with that. I don't
Hey,
have a
no
problem
one
with
cares
that, but
about
you
whether
know
you
him.
have a
You know
problem or
him.
not. Please stay away.
You know him.
Don't come too close when you have COVID. That's all I'm asking you.
Listen to him.
Don't come too close
Yes,
when you
I'm
have
protecting
COVID.
myself.
That's
That's why
all
I
I've
took
asked you.
to
Thank you
stay-
very
to
much.
stay next to you to
If I can
protect
request,
myself from
sure,
your
sure.
germs.
The best way to protect
Can you
yourself
tell
from my
me-
COVID
can you
is to
tell
stay
me-
away.
can you tell me
Either
why the
case,
Bible promoting
in either
rape?
case, clearly
Why the Bible promoting the rape?
you
Answer
some
you,
mental
coward.
issue somewhere. Thank you much.
Why-
Hey, Mr. Fontaine, please come here. You and your Dawa fellows, where have you been hiding?
Hamza Junior.
Maybe we should. No. He's hiding behind his beard all day long. Hello, my dear friends. Is there any Muslim Dawa Mafia gang here? I understand. You are confused. Any Muslim who knows this stuff? Clearly not this fellow. He is hiding. He is terrified right now. He is even reconsidering. He is wondering if he should leave Islam at least temporarily.
Because they know they will not do nothing.
Who lions don't bark back. I completely understand. I am talking about you guys. Why are you confused? Why do you talk about lions when I am talking about you? Hello, Mr. John.
Hey, stay away from me.
I'm staying
Stay
away.
away from me.
I should have known. Sure.
Stay
The
away.
smell, the stench is severe, bad, terrible. Thank you. Thank you for the warning. Thank
Stay
you.
away.
Yeah, sure.
2 meter.
2 meter, yeah.
Yes.
In your case, it must be 2 meter. I completely agree. All right, Mr. John, don't be terrified.
John, stay away.
I know your glasses aren't helping you. I'm not speaking to you. Hey, John. Hello, John. Don't be terrified. You might get a neck ache when you go back home. Don't, please. Relax. Turn around a little bit. Too much stress. Can you imagine? Hey, I'm here. Mr. John. Mr. Fontaine. You are deep in thought. Hello?
Stay away from me.
Oh, from you, 2 meters already. Thank you. Thank you very much. Mr. Fontaine, don't be stressed too much. Hello, Mr. Fontaine. Does Fontaine have a hearing issue? Hello? Hello, Mr. All Ham to Allah. So clearly, Mr. Fontaine has hearing issues. I'm here. Mr. Fontaine, don't get stuck. Hey, he can hear me. This gentleman can hear me. How exactly just Mr. Fontaine can't hear me? How is this?
Arul, please.
Please, you're now pleading. It sounds like Islamic Allah pleading.
Please, one more.
Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah.
Jesus called your dog because
Yeah, don't worry, don't.
you now just barking.
Stop what?
You're barking right
Barking
like a dog.
barking like a dog. Thank you.
Barking.
You know, you have seen too much of Muhammad Jihad. Too much of Muhammad Jihad will make you come and talk about dogs and barking. Don't do that. Please don't look at Muhammad Jihad too much. So, Mr. Fontaine, I'll let you know. I'm moving away right now. Please relax a little bit. Turn around. Have some time. turning around. Sure. All right. Any Muslim fellows?
I'm still here, and you tell me don't.
You would be here forever. At this rate, you won't leave anywhere. Well, are you begging right now? What's going on?
I'm giving away.
Don't give away Pakistan. First do that. Give away Pakistan. Give away Sudan.
Here is the beggar. Here is the beggar.
Right. Look, if at all you need to give away anything, you need to give away Israel, give away Pakistan, give away all of these places where you've been occupying for too long. That's what you need to give away. Are you... Anyone here knows Quran?
Oh, shut up.
I know David would know Quran. Do these people know Quran?
My fat boy who can stand. Ask him. He knows the Quran very well.
He knows the Quran. Rehan, you seem to... Please come here. Let's at least have a starting conversation, please. It's either these fellows who are clowns or you guys are sitting somewhere. Hey, wow. Hey, your mobile number is there. Your name is there. Please stay focused. So if you give me some space, thank you.
Number is there. My name is
Sure.
there.
Don't pretend
So
you're
what?
drunk. They may beat you. Your Islamic Ummah may beat you to
Who
death.
beat me? Who beat me?
Your Islamic Ummah.
Who beat me?
Sure. Thank you very much. Now we are going. Hey. Don't come into my space.
What is this space?
Don't come into my space.
In your nose.
Don't come into my space.
Come.
Don't come into my space. Thank you. Afraid of who? I am always afraid of people who have escaped mental asylums. Yeah, terrified all the time. All right. David, good to see you.
Oh, sorry.
Hey, Mr. Fontaine. This gentleman, he has moved away. Forget his name. Anyway. Where is... Oh, yeah. Hey, Mr. Fontaine.
Mohammed is here and he's hidden. The one who looks like Mohammed is here. He's hidden.
Hey, Mr. Fontaine. I am here.
Read the hadith. Mohammed! This man looks like Mohammed.
Would you like
Leave
to...
him. No, leave him. You see, he's got the hood. Don't expose him.
He is
This man
terrified.
looks like Mohammed.
He is terrified.
Don't leave him alone.
Where's
He's
that?
moving quietly. Yeah, what? He's moving quietly. He doesn't want too much
Brother
attention.
Shah. Sorry.
This man does not want too much attention. Leave him alone. Mohammed!
Hey, Mr. Fontaine.
Mohammed! This man looks like Mohammed! Hey!
Mr. Fontaine,
No, leave him.
would you like to have a conversation?
Mohammed! This man looks like Mohammed! Mohammed!
Hey, Mr.
This
Fontaine.
man looks like... Don't disturb him.
Hey, Mr. Fontaine.
Don't disturb him.
Mr. Fontaine.
Mohammed!
Hello?
This man looks like Mohammed. Mohammed! Mohammed!
Why does he come to Speaker's Corner?
Every time I come here,
Hey. Hey, would you... Mr. Fontaine. Dear Mr. Fontaine. Hello, John. John. I'm here. Don't be terrified. I'm here. So clearly won't help. Don't touch. Talk to Hashim. Hey, Hisham, please come here. Please. He is already terrified. Can you see? Already terrified. Hey, Mr. Fontaine. You went. Hey, he's slowly walking away.
You will see the face of Mohammed.
Mr.
You
Fontaine,
will see the face if he turns around.
is it that scary?
If he turns around, You see the face of
Is it
Muhammad.
that scary? Is he that scary?
What? That's his, look, if he turns around...
Is his face that scary?
Whoa!
Hey, Mr. Fontaine. Hey, Mr. Fontaine. Hey, Mr. Fontaine.
See, I told you, you don't... He's moving quiet.
Hey, my dear young friends, did you see how Mr. Fontaine ran away? All right. So that's Mafia Gang.
What happened there?
Mafia Gang, Mr. Fontaine and Mr. Hashim have run away. Have run away. And what the latest I've heard, my dear friends, after the Mafia Gang have written their Dawa script, the latest I've heard is that they are writing a new script, a new training manual. 99 ways. 99 ways to escape the Christians at Speaker's Corner. That's their latest training manual. Whether you are utterly clueless like Seesaw, or you are remarkably clueless as John Fontaine, you can use one of these 99 tricks. They know exactly what to do, how to do, when to do. So none of the Dawa Mafia Gang. Is that a Dawa Mafia Gang camera? No, it isn't. It is Dawa Mafia Gang members. If anyone is watching this, if anyone is watching this live, may I please, is that live right now on YouTube?
No, it's recording.
Oh, it's recording. So they'll clearly edit this out. But if anyone, sorry, if there is any Mafia Gang, Dawa live streaming, did you see that? Are you a Muslim, sir? Did you see how the Muslims run away? You heard about Speaker's Corner before you came here? You did. Where are you from?
Kuwait.
From Kuwait. There are a number of people from Kuwait today. A lot of Kuwaitis and people from elsewhere show up at Speaker's Corner because you think Muslim members, the maverick fellows over there are engaging. Sure, no problem. Just 2 minutes. You have come here, you've paid all your flight tickets and everything else, and you've spent one full day, you thinking at Speaker's Corner, those clowns engage in conversations, yeah? Because you've seen all these Hollywood movies on YouTube. Seesaw, Smile to Bana or whatever. You've seen all these. Yet, Smile to? Well, that fellow, does he look like someone who can smile? The fellow who is part of that YouTube channel. Okay. The one in the hat there.
Okay.
Have you seen him smile?
Yeah.
In some of the YouTube shots he smiles and it's quite scary.
Okay.
And so to please, my point is this. They don't engage with Christians who know the Quran. They don't. Why? Because they know when Islam comes under scrutiny, Islam will be exposed big time. They will know it. And they know people like you won't pay him money anymore. And so they run away. Can you've come all the way from Kuwait. You are a young man.
Yeah.
You come across friendly. I'll give you one challenge. Mission impossible. Invite one of those Dawa Mafia Gang members to come and have a conversation with me. Try and see that. You'll see how they run away. Yeah. Okay. Now, that's your mission impossible. How long are you here in the UK?
Like 2 more weeks.
2 more weeks.
Yeah.
Come back next Sunday, and the Sunday after that, you will see the same thing over and over again. That's that Smile to Bana fellow, yeah? Can we quickly... Let's quickly... See how he runs away. Hey, smile. Smile to Bana. Smile to Bana. Would you like to have a conversation? Would you like to have a conversation at least now?
Smile to Jahannam.
No. He look at that. That's the smile to the hospital. The scary. Look at this. Now he is the self-appointed bodyguard. Already self-appointed. He is another one. Self-appointed. He worked earlier. They do a time-shared protection of Seesaw, Smile to Bana. Before my feet become cold and I decide to wrap up and go home, I am hoping one of you Mafia Gang members would be interested in having a conversation. What is this fellow's name? I forget. What is this fellow's name? Zubur. Now, whether he thought about this before in his life, whether he had any deep thinking also or not before in his life, now he is. The moment he saw me in his peripheral vision, he is into deep thinking already. Why he knows the moment he turns around a little bit, he is in trouble. Satan will get us to think negatively.
God arbitrarily just saying you go to heaven. A person has to receive the message and actively understand it and reject it before they're accountable. So you're going to be accountable for what you know. I'm going to be accountable for what I know.
He's almost giving an impression that he knows his stuff. This is the level of training, Ramble on with a number of words.
Also, could I say one thing just as a request? One of the things I see, I went to University of Glasgow, just graduated. One of the things I've seen across universities in the UK is that, unfortunately, I'll give you a small example. You're probably aware of but one of the
Babur is getting ready. Babur.
and
How are you?
Well, I'm hoping to be better. I'm hoping one of you guys will engage in a conversation. He could be Babur, he could be Seesaw. he is working it out in his mind.
Yeah, exactly.
He is working out. My dear friend, did you see how he ran away earlier? Watch from a distance. Watch from a distance how he runs away. Yeah? Watch from a distance. And don't go near him anymore.
Send me your number. I'll send you a video. Continue the conversation.
He has already begun his technique there. He has to go somewhere. You're welcome. Mr. Babur.
Take care of yourself, yeah?
Hey, not interested in a conversation?
You condemn the genocide?
Do I condemn I condemn the genocide? Hey, don't push me. Don't push me. I do condemn the genocide of the Jews, which began in the 7th century. I do. Would you like to have a conversation? Yeah, including the children of the Jewish. The children of the Jews, all the terrorist killing Jewish children, I completely condemn. Beginning, this began in the 7th century. It's there in the Quran. Would you like to have a conversation?
Not with the genocide denial.
Would you like to have a conversation? Space, please. Yeah. Space between you and me. Don't come into my personal space. Hey.
Space, don't touch me.
But you came in.
Space, I'm taking pictures.
You may be.
You are coming.
Hey, whoa. You try your logic somewhere else in Hollywood, sir. Zabur running away. Mr. Babur running away also. Why do these clowns run away and only their minions shout? Because Islam is clueless. Look at him. This is the only thing that comes any close to Christians, because he is utterly shameless. He has a little bit of shame, so he knows how to run away. Hashim, Mansoor, Babur, Seesaw, Smile to Bada, everyone, lock, stock and barrel. Islam is indefensible and clueless. If this is all that we have in Islam, I would be getting rest at home. You see,
That's Islam.
Look at it. Yeah, this is Islam. This is Islam. This is Islam. This is Islam with blue jumper on. That's Islam with a black jacket on. That's Islam with a 3-layered clothing. This is Islam Islam with various varieties of Islam. Varieties. Look at this Islam. This Islam.
This one, Gandu, mother shoot, Gandu.
So Islam will show. Look at this. As our Home Secretary is apparently trying to revise the immigration system, I have a recommendation. Please watch these faces. Please watch these faces and work out what kind of tourists could be productive to have in the UK. Watch them. These profile, check them out. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Do you want shampoo? Do you want head and shoulder?
Hey, they're closing your hotel rather soon. Look, get back to your hotel. Get back to your hotel. My dear friends, get back to your hotel rather soon. Otherwise, I'll put you in mental asylums. Please leave soon. Please make your way. Please, make your way. All right, so Islam for one more Sunday. Islam is in tatters. Nothing changed this time.
Why are you letting them call you Gandhi?
Irrelevant.
The very critical Islamic intellectualism in full display as Speaker's Corner once again. Just repeat the same words over and over.
All right. So Islam is in tatters. If this is all there is to Islam, we would be getting some rest at home. But the problem is, Islam, while at Speaker's Corner is in tatters, elsewhere is busy. In the kitchens of our nation, I don't know which flats, I don't know how many flats, pressure cooker bombs are being built as we speak. Detonators are being, put together by people who can't even spell the word properly. People who may or may not wear underwears are sacrificing their underwears to make bombs.
The underwears, are you sure about that?
Steve, I don't know if you're familiar with this, but a few...
The one on the plane. The one on the plane. The underpant bomber.
The underwear. The underwear bomber from Nigeria, I think, from Nigeria, who did not know that for his bomb to work, he shouldn't be peeing. He was actually caught in the toilet or something before his bomb went.
But fire in his pants.
Some such thing, because he clearly hadn't prepared well.